Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look at the euro versus US dollar as it reverses back to the upside. Rehashing the story from a technical perspective and fundamental basis, the price in the euro versus US dollar fell sharply and below the 100 and 200 hour moving averages after the better or stronger than expected retail sales. That price action saw the price go down to around the 1.0536 level, which was above the target area down through here between 1.0525 to 1.05316. In the morning video, I talked about how the price needed to stay below these moving averages. Why? Because it kept the technical bias to the downside. As long as the price can remain below that level, the downside remained the favored direction. Okay. But what happened? The price moved above those moving averages, and we saw the price extend to new session highs. Why? Because the sellers gave up. The sellers had to see the price stay below the moving averages. It didn't happen, and so the sellers turned to buyers. We saw the price move higher. You can see that closely on the 5-minute chart. Here I have the overlay of the 100 and 200 hour moving averages on this 5-minute chart. And what do you notice here? When the price moved above the 200-hour moving average, next bar saw a quick move to the upside, then another bar higher, another bar higher, another bar higher. 4 bars in a row took the price rising to the upside, breaking above the high price that we saw earlier in the day, and we are seeing a rotation back to the downside. But here is the shift from sellers to buyers through here. And you can also see it right here where the price initially came up and tested that 200-hour moving average and found willing sellers pushing the price to the downside here, only to rotate back higher, get above the 200-hour moving average. And it was, I give up. That's what traders do. That's what traders do. Define risk, limit risk, define biases, either buying or selling off of technical levels to try to look at. So the euro versus US dollar shifted more to the upside. The bias shifted more to the upside. There's probably support perhaps at near this 1.05709 level. That's a 38.2% retracement, the broken 38.2% retracement. Watch that level. It was a support level going back to here and also here. And in trading here today, we did trade above and below it. But now that the price has moved higher, we're going to watch that level right here and see if it does hold support. If it does in the short term, then still expect higher prices. If it breaks below that level, we may go back down and look toward the 100 and 200 hour moving averages again. Buyers more in control. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.